What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I just want to give you guys a quick update. Right now, obviously, we haven't passed the new stimulus. There was a 48-hour turnaround time that Nancy Pelosi had given, but that hasn't come to fruition. So the good news is there is still talks going on. At this point, things are looking a little grim, guys. So I just want to give you the heads up. Market Watch did post this article, and I kind of wanted to go over it with you. Just as you know, on all my videos, I am not a financial advisor or anything along those lines. This is just for fun. It's my opinion, and it is in no way financial advice. Also, if you can, hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps me out, and let's get into it. So, there's a big issue here, guys. So right now, a lot of stuff is set to expire on the 31st, and the election day is coming up on, in less than a couple of weeks, actually. What's today? Today is the 21st. So yeah, around 2 weeks or so, and we're gonna have our election, guys. So it's getting down to the nitty gritty. We need to get a stimulus passed, in my opinion. The market is full of uncertainty right now, and if you have any weird plays, like I'll give you an example, if you have like Workhorse or you have companies like that where there's just so much uncertainty because with that stuff has been put on the back burner because of that. The UPS contract's been, or the USPS contract's been put on a back burner for Workhorse because the government can't even get a stimulus passed. So I would pay close attention to the stock market right now, guys, because if this doesn't get passed, it's going to be bad. That's going to be a buying opportunity, but at the same time, it could get really rough for a lot of people. Just kind of have a plan. Like I always say, just make sure you guys have a plan. Whether that plan is to put money in precious metal or Bitcoin or, whatever else you can think of, just have an idea of what you're going to do. If you have any companies that are volatile right now, or you don't really... let's say you don't really believe that they can make it through the pandemic, or you think that it's kind of a gamble, I honestly probably wouldn't even gamble right now, guys. I would try to move into companies that are proven to outlast or outlast these kind of things. Companies that have been around for a long time with good cash flow. Companies with a lot of cash on hand. They can survive a long time in an environment like this because we really don't know what's going to happen. And that's just my opinion. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be reorganizing a little bit, getting rid of some companies that I just don't think are good ideas to own right now. I'm not looking to gamble at this point. I'm looking to ride the wave, just ride through the pandemic and just get out unscathed as much as possible. And I'm going to start targeting companies, that are going to be able to make it through the wave, like tech companies are a pretty safe bet right now. So that's one option. The other option is, just getting with some good dividend kings. The guys who they've been through this, and they pay you as they go, and you're still getting some kind of growth or income because you're getting those dividends. So it may be worth switching over to a dividend aristocrat or a dividend king at this point, and just kind of getting some value out of your money. Because honestly, guys, I don't know after the pandemic if we're going to be all-time low, or if we're going to be hurt bad, because if we are, it may take a few years to kind of recoup, where we were at. So these are just things to consider. I'm not trying to scare anybody. Just have an idea what you want to do. I'm probably going to reorganize, like I said, get into some dividend stocks, get into some value stocks that are safe, proven companies with a lot of cash on hand that can weather the storm. I wish everybody the best of luck. Keep an eye out. Hopefully we get a stimulus soon and we won't have to worry about any of that. But if we don't, we're going to have to really start thinking about how we're going to make it through. So anyways, guys, have a great day. I will see you guys in the next one. And yeah, peace.